In case you're wondering, we're in about day number 10 of all the snow and ice on the ground, and it's been a challenge for many, to say the least.
And as we finally begin to thaw out, WRAG meteorologist Max Claypool looks at what we've been through.
Guess where the heaviest ice was? I would go along that whole swath, right in northern and northeastern Mississippi. Just wild stuff.
January 2026, and the ice storm of the century buried North Mississippi in over an inch of ice. Cars were crashed and abandoned up and down I-55, with days of freezing temperatures and 90% of some counties without power.
I've never seen anything like this. I've lived through ice storms before. I've never seen an ice storm this big, this expansive.
Oxford native Tiandra Rodriguez is 8 months pregnant. She's been at a hotel in Tupelo with her husband and 3-year-old since the storm.
But I don't have access to the stuff that I would need for postpartum, or things that I would prefer to have in the hospital. They're at home, and while it's not so far away, just going back and forth for those things and bringing them to the hotel can be a lot.
Another Oxford resident, small business owner Kayla Allen, hasn't had power in 9 days. Similar to Tiandra, she's stuck in a small room with her family and pets, this time huddled around a small space heater.
Well, we were all in the bed when it happened. And so we made it through that one night and woke up the next day and looked outside and realized how dire the situation was. You know, everything was frozen over. You know, it was like 94, which I remember.
This is a marquee event for the Mid-South and Memphis and North Mississippi. You know, I'd say there's only a couple events that come to mind that kind of, I've been here a little over 30 years. There's only a couple events that really kind of match the magnitude of this.
The best comparison? You guessed it.
In 1994, the sound of cracking ice and snapping tree limbs became unforgettable.
Tens of thousands of Mississippians are still without power, and the cleanup has only begun. But remember this, we proved our resiliency in 1994, and we'll get through this one as well. Max Claypool, News Channel 3.
Wow. Just a reminder that some people are still suffering through this.
Yeah, you think about your own situation, then you have to be reflective to say somebody, chances are, has it even worse than I do.
Mississippi, very hard hit.
Still dealing with it, for sure.